Hello everybody and welcome to Paper Mario The Thousand Year Door. This is a game I've actually never played, so this is going to be a blind playthrough. Aren't you excited for that? That has to be fun. Okay, we're going to press start or pause. Oh, I never noticed. I always thought it said start. Blah blah blah, memory card in slot A does not have Paper Mario 1000 Year Door save file. Yes. Save file. Oh my god, I don't give a shit. Okay, we're gonna add it into the green file because green is my third favorite color, second, third, one of the two. We are going to be naming myself C. E. I hate this, by the way. R-O-U-S. Zeros. And we're done. Yeah. Okay, I really hope this has audio. Because I turned it down. Turned down. So that you can hear my microphone better. And, okay, it's on. Okay, so we're just gonna have this opening cutscene. We got a paratroop. Paratroop. Gonna deliver mail call. And then Luigi comes out. He's Mario. Sorry about that. And he comes out, he's delivering the mail to Mario, because it's Mario's house. Hey bro, check it out. A letter from Princess Peach arrived from you. For you. I'll just read it to you. How's that sound? It's an invasion of my privacy, that's what it sounds like. Ahem! Now let's see here, Hello there, Mario! I am now on holiday traveling in the Mushroom Kingdom. In my travels, I have come to possess of a mystical map. A treasure map, actually. It was inside a box I got from an old merchant in a town called Robar. But since it would be too difficult for me to try to go and find treasure on myself, I thought you could help me out for it. You will, of course, won't you? I'm looking at this map with this letter, so please when you'll come. I'll meet you at Rogueport. That means you must come. Peach. Jesus. What do you know? It's true. There's a weathered old map in here with the letter. Check it out. Whoa, look at the map. There's like stars, and I guess that's all we can see of it. Paper Mario, 1000 Year Door. I'm a boat. Can we start the game? Is that? This is actually the only one I didn't play. I think I played the N64 one like halfway through, and I beat the Wii one and the 3DS one I also beat. And so prologue. Okay. Oh, prologue. A rogue's welcome. A rouge the bat. Ugh. Excuse me, sir. Please wake up, sir. The town you've been speaking of has come to view. Look, it's Rogueport. Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey. You see, we'll arrive shortly. Please prepare, prepare to disembark. Hold on a second, guys. I'm just gonna do something. It's gonna kind of sound like it's bad. Haven't been that sick for a while. I must apologize, sir. Our arrival was a bit delayed by rough weather. Are you quite sure you want to disembark here? I did tell you all the sordid tales about Rogueport. Okay, so what I can guess from this is that this isn't the best kind of a place to be. But you should be careful. Don't say I didn't warn you. This game is very colorful and bright and happy, and I really hope it's not in letterbox format for the whole thing. Oh, thank God. Jump, jump, jump up, get down. Okay, so we can't be in the water. Good to know. We got our hammer already, that's cool. Let's see if I can smash this. No. Oh, it's weird. I thought I heard that. Oi, oh fuck. Let me talk to you again. Oi, welcome to Roadport. Bit of a nasty place. Hey, you got guts coming here. You look a bit green, so I have a bit of weird advice on me. Hit that save block to save. Cause the thing about life is you never know when you're gonna kick the old bucket.
What do you want, pal? Huh? A princess in a pink dress? I ain't seen nothing like that. No, I remember a princess, probably. Why do you want this chick anyway, pal? Owe you money, or is she your girlfriend?
Hey, what do you want? Get away from me, freak. Oh, it's a girl.
Oh, come on, you double trouble, you can't play doubles with me. I see you walk from a random town after for the custom house. All I'm doing is asking to be a good girl that tell us so you don't. Hey, now.
Never. I don't have anything to say to you, creeps. Ew.
I'm supposed to break the section of the
As you command, Lord Crump, we're on it.
No, stop it right there, you weirdos. I'll scream, really.
Out of my waist, you scallywag. Move, you do. Oh fuck, he's a pirate.
Out of my way, you scallywag. Move your ever-loving bones.
Blimey, a fight? Corkin. Ain't nothing so fun as watching some poor bloke have it out with what? Poor bloke have it out with his miss. Jesus fucking Christ, dude. Am I right, mate? Fucking what, mate?
Yikes, looks like trouble over there. Probably best not to get involved, huh? I wouldn't meddle with other people's problems in this town even if I had an extra life.
Uh-huh.
Like I'd go anywhere with smelly lunatics like you. Not likely.
Oh? What do you think you're doing, chump? You think I'm gonna screw up my plans?
What?
Come on, tell me something. Looks like I'm gonna have to give you a little taste of the old crump bomb.
It's a battle. Can't flee this fight.
Battle time, Mr. Man. Find another way to be as free as me. Okay, don't sweat the details. Just jump on your hammer.
Jump on Lord Crump. Sweet. Double jump.
Sweet, you know that her well. I gotta say you're tougher than you look. Keep it up and you'll beat him in no time.
Block. Oh, okay. So this is just a fucking RPG. Boop. Oh shit.
You got him in the ropes.
Boop. Thrilling. Jump. I don't like using the hammer. Shit.
Yes, you're doing awesome. Don't you let up.
Boop. Jump. Lord Crump. Dude. Dude.
You did it, yes, and you got Starboy. Yeah, I bet you know you can get those things on Starboy when you win battles. When you get 100 points, you go over level. Don't forget that, okay?
You got 9 star points.
Okay, you gotta cover these shots and I'll give you that. But unfortunately for you, that means it's go time! Push him!
Hey, there she goes.
Quick, this way. Here, what I'm about to do, this is getting out of here. What is it?
I'm getting all my voices mixed up. What's this? Was okay. So I guess we're just kind of going. I don't like the pace of this game. It's kind of slow. Okay. Nope, nope. Bye. Man, my throat's gonna like fucking bleed after this.
Where do they go, huh? You don't see them and everyone.
A what?
Oh god, they both.
Okay, guess that's it. Sorry about that. Oh my god, my throat really hurts also. I'm tired.
Well, mister, you totally saved me, thanks. I've just got to give you a little reward.
Rule 34.
My name's Gumbella, and I'm a student at the University of Gloom. Nice to meet you. So, what are you?
Who are you?
Mario, what you mean like the famous guy? Wow, I can't believe I met you here. Cool, anyway, no offense, but it looks like you're just rolling into town ourselves, right? Me, I already hate it here. Freaks and weirdos everywhere. It's nasty. I mean, I know the place is called Rogueport, but I should have accepted it. But sheesh. I never did a casual place like this where I wouldn't be the same person I tried.
What? Okay.
Why are you looking for this? Seriously? Whoa, 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 Bucko, what you got there?
Map. I'm the map. I'm the map. I'm the map.
I'm not gonna suggest a treasure map. You have to tell me where you got that. Princess Peach, what?
Right, holy bully, here's the Master Mario.
Wait, what the fuck? Oh my god! Oof!
Yeah, of course it is, huh?
Stay down, bro. The boss sends greetings. How's that road taste, punk? Wow. Are you okay? That hurt. Those jerks. We won't forget this.
Better welcome with me. Probably have a lot of other sort of place. Ho ho. So tell me, Master Mario, what in the world brings you to this wretched little burg?
Wow, that's really rude.
Ah, indeed. Princess Peach sent you a letter and a treasure map? And she told you she'd meet you here at Rogueport? Intriguing.
Hey.
You're asking me where Princess Peach is? I was about to ask you that. We stopped in this town to acquire a spot of fuel for our ship, don't you know? I only took my eye off her for a moment, but as soon as I did, she vanished. You know how headstrong she is, Mario. I assumed she'd be back momentarily. But at this point, I fear we must embrace the possibility that she may never return. I've been at a loss to what do I do. I've been fraught with worry, I tell you. But I'm feeling better with you here, Master Mario. Surely we'll find her. Surely. But I know my place, Master Mario. What? Now recline in the inn right here and stop over there and enjoy a spot of tea, perhaps. In fact, I highly recommend it, particularly if you find your heart points running low. Just drop in the inn. Ho ho ho. Anyway, a little rest here will fill all your HP. I must say, though, the rest of this town is a bit rough. Yes, rough indeed. Huff, I say. Huff, I say.
And Princess Peach, did you mean like Prince the Magic King and Princess? The princess you always get down by Bowser and Kuma King? The one you rescue? Wait a sec, this crazy Princess Peach sent you the treasure map? Whoa, this is really intense. Well, there should be all the way you say. Maybe she got sick waiting to find her sister on your road.
Oh my god.
I know, Mario, come with me. One of my professors is here researching that treasure. I'm going to show you the map. If we start looking for the treasure, maybe we'll catch up to Princess Peach.
Oh my god, I'm losing my voice.
Great, we're all good then. Let's go, Mario.
Goombella, join your party. What the fuck? There's a weird anaglyph there. Oh, fuck. Goombella's ability, A Primer. Press X to get information about nearby people, places, and objects. Why is X the one on the side?
This is Rogueport Plaza. It's in the center of town in the main business district. It's a crossroads where many people meet, including more than a few shady characters. Anytime you press X when no one's around, I'll tell you where they are.
Boop.
That's Goom for the Goomba. He's always complaining about being swindled or mugged. If you press X when someone's nearby, I'll tell you about it. Where so did you get all that?
Okay, that was just fucking weird. Goombella can give you hints when she answers, so ask her for information often. And of course, Goombella can even be quite helpful in battle too. She jumps in the air to attack enemies with a nasty head bonk. She can also look up enemy HP and weaknesses with her Tattle ability. Tattletale.
First off, I got your fat man professor. Dang it, since you just gotten to tell myself I don't actually know where he lives. So keep an eye out. Here's what my professor frankly looks like.
And that marks the end of the first episode, guys. I will see you later in about a couple seconds. Hold on, hold on, hold on, and you can see me later. Hold on, and you can see me later in just about 3, 2, 1. Bye.